Let's get out of here. Come on.
Repeat the spell so I know you understand how the passenger works.
Can't. Just say it. Nyaryakat Azem, Daryat Atza. Say it and it's done. Your spirit goes inside my body. Mia will activate it by calling you forth. And you get to live. Can I have a moment with my daughter, please?
She looks at me every time. Like, did you see that?
I know what you're going to do. Don't.
Mommy, tell him to stop. Tell the dog to stop, Mommy.
Nadia. I'm letting my father
This is so used to things.
rip you out of my arms. It was the biggest regret in my life. I should have fought harder.
You videoed that?
You, but I didn't.
Now I gotta put it on YouTube.
I spent the last 500 years making sure that I'd never make that mistake again. I fought for everything. And in the process, I had a long, full life.
She's like, what? You must want more kisses.
And I
I
got to
feel
know my
trapped
little
right in
daughter.
this window.
I know, but the window's shut. Like, I know. You feel a breeze when you sit over there.
And you spent the last centuries